Did you just drink on the plane?
Who said drink alcohol?
What was that?
Who said drink alcohol?
Did you drink alcohol on the
Who
plane?
said drink alcohol?
Well, we were called because you failed to pay for 2 drinks. How much money are we talking in?
It was like $18, but I just got he just became basically upset when we asked him to pay for his alcohol, and then started yelling at me, and she came over.
Anything physical?
No, well, he tried to unbuckle his seatbelt and stand up, and I told him to remain in his seat. And he did.
Any complaints?
Yeah.
No threats? No, nothing like that? He just doesn't want to pay?
He just,
agitated?
Agitated.
Southwest Airlines gate, November 19th. 2025. 1 passenger. An $18 tab. What happened next ended in handcuffs. Viewer advisory. This footage contains a physical confrontation and arrest. The legal exposure began on the aircraft. Under Title 14 of the Code of Federal Regulations, Part 91, Section 11. No person may interfere with a crew member performing their duties. Verbal aggression toward a flight attendant and refusal to remain seated after a direct crew instruction both fall within that prohibition.
Starting to escalate a little bit, guys.
Okay. Hey, sir. We're going to walk up here and then we need to speak with you, okay? Got an ID on you?
Thank you so much.
Hey,
Thank you.
if you can, talk to the flight attendant, see what happened, and we need some statement. If you can't find any,
Okay.
You don't know what wrong with that. That shit going on.
We're just going to keep walking up and then we're going to speak with you up here at the top, okay?
No problem.
We're just going to speak right over here. Got your ID on you? Did you just drink on the plane?
Who said drink alcohol?
What was that?
Who said drink alcohol?
Did you drink alcohol on the
Who
plane?
said drink alcohol?
Well, we were called because you failed to pay for 2 drinks. What was that? These are their bags?
Yes, these are.
Okay. We're gonna move out here so that way you can keep getting people.
Why you questioning?
You had alcohol on the plane, correct?
What's not yet?
And you didn't pay for that, correct?
We will program. We have. Hey, let me get fancy it.
Alcohol is. You can correct me if I'm wrong. If it's alcohol is going to be extra on top of whatever's going to be covered, unless you have a coupon for it. We'll walk out here and speak. Okay. So you're saying that you're flying with the program?
We have.
From where? Okay. Who you flying? Who you flying with? What program? And did they tell you that alcohol was going to be covered? How much have you had to drink today?
I don't know.
Did you drink at the airport before you got on your plane?
No.
No? Did you just have the... What'd you drink on the plane?
2 times.
2 tonics? Do you know what they actually had to drink?
I can go and check.
Yeah, if you just want to go check and give me a total.
Between the 2 of them?
Between the 2 of them, yeah. That's what I'm asking him to go verify what they owe. So if they're flying you out there, they're not going to cover alcohol costs.
Yeah, we don't know that. I asked for it. The military do, and we're on drink. In order. Of course.
You didn't think you needed to pay?
No,
because they asked what you wanted to drink?
The stewardess.
Okay.
I said, walking on.
Do you want to go speak with them on the plane?
McClendon is talking to the flight attendant. Yeah.
Talking to them? Okay.
Probably need some statements. Can you check if you have any statements with you?
Sure. Do you have any way to pay for these drinks?
Well, they can't afford.
So,
you ask me a question.
Okay.
They can't afford it. They were homeless people. Homeless.
Okay.
I am one of them.
Okay.
We came here to They came back and we want to drink. They ordered something.
Okay. So that I'm asking, do you have a way to pay for the alcohol that you drank on the plane because it's not covered?
Excuse me.
This doesn't cover your alcohol.
I don't know that. And then they came to the thing and asked them what do you want to drink. I'm in part of that pay. Because the last thing we're going to do regardless.
Okay.
Me and her.
So she's going with you as well?
Right.
Okay.
We're getting the last whatever. I said,
You were just trying to have one last drink before you got there.
that's it. And they can't do it. That's us. What I want.
I mean, it's really not a big deal.
Yeah, no,
right?
we just gotta get the bill
I
set.
don't understand that.
Yeah.
I'm trying to put it, yo. How I got started.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
She came too. We were boarded.
They came, they got you.
Everybody got down, sat down.
Some drinks.
Civil Science City. La Civil. She has to go to work. She can't do me all. That's what she do. And I told her,
Okay, yeah. So they're going to be speaking. They're speaking with the flight staff right now. Just figure out how we can resolve this. Okay.
Right. And I know you went through all this with this officer. You only had 2 drinks on the plane. Do you know where you are right now? Where are you?
smart question what you asked. If you knew that, you asked me a question, you knew the answer already, right? But
Where are you right now? Do you know?
talking to me,
Where?
talking to you all,
Yeah, but what city we in?
it don't matter.
It does matter for us.
On a plane, I took off from Florida.
Uh-huh.
While I landed there, I forgot here because y'all got to come out and talk to me. Okay. And I told him to damn woman.
So let's figure out what's going on with this tab, and then hopefully it'll all be resolved and we'll all get to going.
Look, so y'all took y'all time off and come with a tab on a liquor tab. Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man, how much it clear?
I think it's $18. It's like I said, this is really not a big deal.
Yeah,
it's really not a big deal.
$80.
Yeah.
The bullshit keep real. Look up, bro.
All right, sir. You owe $18 because you didn't pay for the drinks. Are you willing to pay him?
So $80. I want.
I understand, but if you're not gonna pay, they might charge you with theft of service because you received their service, which is the alcohol. You're not
Because
paying.
they came down the line and asked who wanted what. Of course, I'm alcoholic. Look at
So
it.
my question is clear. Are you willing to pay or not?
I don't have it.
You don't have the $18. Okay.
And they're being flown out to a.
Go ahead. Well, let me see if they're willing to prosecute. Sir?
At the gate, criminal intent to avoid payment was the operative element. A good faith belief that drinks were complimentary could negate intent only until officers provided clear notice otherwise. After that advisement, continued non-payment satisfied the standard. Southwest's later decision to decline charges was victim discretion, not exoneration.
There is a passenger is willing to pay for him. Just came up. Do you want to do that?
Another person? A different
Yeah,
person?
different
Or the
person.
he's traveling with?
No, another person.
Really want to do that?
It's up to you.
I'm calling my boss right now.
Okay, no, it's fine.
Just give me a second.
Okay. There is a passenger that came up. He is willing to pay for him. I spoke with Southwest. They said they're going to see if they can accept that or not.
Okay.
The boss here calling his boss to see if they want to prosecute or accept that guy's money.
Okay.
Yeah? Yeah.
See it?
No, this guy here in a turquoise shirt.
Okay. I mean, if he wants to, I'm not going to stop him.
Okay.
But we're still going to, you're still not going to be able to
We'll let him know in a minute.
So let me try and figure out how we can best do that.
How are you going to leave the airport? Do you have a ride? Someone picking you up?
They had a flight to California from here.
Oh.
Yeah.
Lieutenant Sergeant, Major
Sergeant.
Sergeant, really fair.
You're probably going to be denied boarding with Southwest. You're not going to fly with Southwest again.
But
After what you called on the aircraft, they're not going to let you fly.
what I
with
called, no, when they told you, look, My first year, front airplane. Try my last. I'm gonna come with Mississippi. I don't do this shit. This is why.
Let me tell you something, okay? Flying is a privilege. It's not a right.
Oh, a privilege.
For all the passengers.
Privilege more than paying money. Yes.
They're gonna refund you. They're not gonna.
So you mean the point? You mean the point?
So
I'm uncomfortable. I keep it on the ground.
they're not gonna let you fly. Honestly. But hey, someone is willing to pay for your drinks. A passenger is willing to pay for your drinks.
I've been doing it.
So this is what's going on. Someone is going to pay for your drinks right now. We're trying, unless they're going to prosecute. So we're trying. Yeah, it's a theft of service. If you use their service and you don't pay for it, you can go to jail for that.
You know what I'm saying? Y'all see no video on YouTube?
Sir, I'm telling you what's going on right now.
Sir. I heard you. I understood you. My turn to talk. Thank you. Respectfully.
Okay.
Respectfully.
Yes, sir. Go ahead.
Attention all units, please check your email for a bulletin sent out for a missing
not free to go, man. We're
female
talking to you
named
right
Linda.
Am I being insane?
Yes. It looks like this gentleman just paid for your drinks, so you can be sure to thank him. Now we can resolve the issue with Southwest.
It is Southwest, bro.
The issue with Southwest is you caused a scene on the plane. Yeah. The crime that was committed and the scene that you caused because of this.
See, I got to agree with you out here. Yeah. We'll stop. Don't talk anymore. Let me tell you this.
What'd you have to say to me?
Oh, listen. So he was saying something.
What he was saying was the crime we're investigating was theft of services.
Oh, crime?
Yep, we were investigating.
Are you serious?
It's been resolved. Okay, so now we're going to try and figure out how we're going to get you on your next flight out of here, okay?
That's my problem. Y'all go about y'all business. I have my own. Hello, bye.
So as long as you're on property, if they don't say that you can...
Question.
Okay.
You instinct in front of him. You, person, and him. Instinct in front of him.
This is private property.
It's not yours.
We're going to talk with him now.
Sir, okay. So let me clear this up with you. This is the Southwest manager, okay? This is his flight. This is their company. He's the manager. So whatever he say is the final. It's not up to discussion. And then it's up to you from there.
Okay, why y'all here?
For the theft of service.
Give me some room, bro. Please get to him.
You walked up to me.
To him. I want to talk to him.
Okay, here you go.
He don't count out typical. He got these.
Ma'am, sir. Sir,
We got better ourselves, sir. I was talking. No, you ain't just fuck you. You my wife. She ain't going to If she's not going, I'm not going.
She is going. Well, she can go. If she wants to stay here, that's fine.
Sir, excuse me.
Please. Okay. Yes, sir.
If you keep on going, I'm probably gonna have to go 10-15.
Disorderly.
But just give him some time. Can document all that.
And y'all said that shit on the plane every day, right? You said the whole to me every day. Oh, my. Right? You said it.
Well, he's causing a scene right now.
Okay, then.
So,
You don't know how no passenger act on your plane.
hey, so he's denied boarding.
Yep.
He don't have any business to be here right now. Yep. So he needs to leave.
Okay.
Under Title 49 of the United States Code, Section 44902, a carrier may refuse any passenger for misconduct without a criminal conviction. Once Southwest's manager exercised that authority, the subject ceased to be a passenger and became a member of the public on private property directed to leave triggering trespass exposure under Florida statute, Section 810.08. The officer's initial approach was a consensual encounter under Florida versus Bostick. It decided in 1991 no Fourth Amendment seizure had occurred. Probable cause built through escalating verbal aggression, defiance of removal directives, and physical resistance. Under Graham versus Connor, decided in 1989. The force is judged from the officer's perspective at the moment applied. All three Graham factors were present. Force was proportional. Florida statute section 877.03 requires conduct capable of inciting violence or breaching the peace. Sustained aggression, unsupported accusations, and physical resistance at a public terminal meet that threshold. Southwest declined theft of service charges. The subject was charged with disorderly conduct. His wife departed on the flight without him. The officers receive a B+. De-escalation was patient and effective, including facilitating third-party payment before any enforcement action. The arrest was lawful and proportional. The subject receives a D. Once the payment obligation was clearly communicated, the misunderstanding defense was extinguished. Verbal aggression, racial accusations, physical resistance during arrest, and refusal of the patrol vehicle each represent a discrete, avoidable escalation. Southwest receives a B. The denial of boarding was correctly applied. The deduction reflects a communication gap at point of service that may have prevented this incident entirely. 3 takeaways. Consuming a service creates a legal debt. Confirm payment terms before ordering. A carrier's denial of boarding is final and unreviewable at the gate. Physical resistance to a lawful arrest is an independent criminal offense. Disagreeing with officers is a right. Physically opposing them is not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to cover in the comments below. Thank you for watching. And do not forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.
Y'all know all that?
Hey,
Sam with Florida. Some Rabbi Florida. I know that.
well, let's grab your things, okay?
Wait home.
Need you to grab your bags? We're going to start making our way up front, okay? We'll work on getting you your next flight.
Nowhere but that my wife.
She? She's flying out.
Oh, no, she's not.
Yeah.
A little bit.
Okay, she can go with you.
She
can go with you.
I know it. I want to say him. Say him there.
Then we can all walk up front, okay?
Sounds like she wants to go.
Excuse me, ma'am. Put your bag up.
Can you ask her if she wants to stay with him or she fly out?
Ask me.
I asked her.
She's an adult.
Really?
She can answer her own question.
I asked her if she wants to go.
She wants to fly
I
out.
just needed the
You go with him, you go with me.
phone numbers.
Well, let's go. Bro, bag up, please. Give me room. All that.
I'm giving you room. Just grab your stuff.
That's some more in.
Hey, man.
Hey.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Well, I'm going.
Hey, sir.
Sir,
Put your bag down.
put your bag
Back down. Don't resist. Put your bag down. Put your bag down.
Put your bag down.
Man, stop.
Sir, just listen. Don't resist. Just listen to them. Okay. Hey, don't fist up. Don't. Hey, don't do that. Don't do that.
You don't want to go to the floor.
Okay, don't do that. Okay, we're gonna go easy from here. You don't want to get hurt.
Why ever here? Why?
Just what? Hey, stop resisting.
Why?
Stop resisting.
Why?
Stop resisting. It's not gonna be good, bro. Just stop
It's
resisting.
good now, but y'all
No,
bullshit.
no, it's not gonna be good. Hey, can you ask her what bag is hers?
All of them.
All of them is hers? Okay, stay with her. We have no problem with her.
That's it, man.
She's flying out, right?
I believe so.
She didn't cause any problems.
She's ready. She's good to go. She's leaving.
Hold on.
Yeah.
Wait.
No. Get out.
I will fix the cuffs when we get downstairs. I will fix the cuffs when we get downstairs.
I get in.
Get in.
Step in or we'll force you in, okay?
I won't stand it, bro.
Okay. We're giving you a
Hands
chance
off.
to step
Go in
in.
the car.
Get in there.
Go in the car.
I'm gonna buckle your.
I'm gonna put your money in your ID and your wallet.
Alright. You're buckled. If you take that buckle off, anything happens on the ride over there, that is gonna be on you, okay? You understand? Take your hat off, alright?